at the coal mining operation of one of India's major corporate groups near the city of Ranchi. Huge mining excavators extract coal and roofing slate. These huge pieces of equipment have an enormous appetite for fuel, which raises a big question for the operations mining team. Can a mining excavator save fuel just by changing to a better quality of hydraulic fluid? Dynaviz formulated hydraulic fluid improves efficiency and cuts back on fuel consumption. But by how much? A leading oil company in India proposed a controlled field trial for its mining customer. Over a 10-month period of using Dynaviz formulated hydraulic fluid, oil was cleaner, operated at lower temperatures, and the mining team experienced no stoppages due to overheating. And how was the field trip conducted? The Dynaviz test team designed the test around a 567 kilowatt excavator, average for mining operations like this. The hydraulic system contained a total of 1,100 liters of hydraulic fluid. The team began work measuring fuel consumption while the excavator operated with its usual hydraulic fluid. Then the fuel was drained and replaced with Dynaviz formulated fluid. Then the Dynaviz formulated fuel was drained and the conventional fluid returned. Now a reference fluid for the test. A highly professional and skilled task force from Evonik Performance Test Lab monitored and recorded the impact of each fluid on the excavator's performance. Data was recorded over a total of 19 shifts, with the excavator tested under standard working conditions. Several dump trucks were deployed for the monitored excavator, carrying away about 75 to 85 metric tons of roofing slate per truck trip to meet their shift's assigned quota. The Dynaviz team attached high-precision measuring devices and sensors to the large excavator to gather data during the performance demonstration. To minimize even the slightest inaccuracy, sensors were installed at the excavator's hydraulic pump outlet. Only when pressure was above 3 bar would fuel consumption be measured. In this way, data was recorded only when the excavator was fully operating and moving earth. Over the course of the test, more than 40,000 tons of material were moved, and more than 500 trips were investigated. The test produced convincing results. With the Dynaviz formulated fluid, the excavator moved 12.2 tons of roofing slate per liter of fuel, but only 10.8 tons with the conventional reference fluid. The results were solid proof of an efficiency gain of 12.8%. The trip efficiency generated still another payoff. The trucks were loaded almost 12% faster, and excavator fuel consumption per loaded truck was reduced by more than 10%. There were additional observations. During the resumption of operation following idling or engine stops, the fluid temperature increased at a slower pace with Dynaviz formulated fluid. The Dynaviz formulated fluid was subjected to less temperature stress, which meant less wear and tear and a longer service life. Already, the Dynaviz test team has begun work on designing a test to evaluate the potential for doubling the fluid service life. There are always new and exciting test results to report from the world of Dynaviz formulated hydraulic fluids. Stay tuned, and don't forget to ask your formulator, does it have Dynaviz?